Tian, I made this video for you, okay? So here's the things that we've been doing, okay? And the things that you had to do on your own. Sitting, you're down on the ground, on the floor. You have your heel of your hand and your fingertips touching. You have the arch of your hands, like you have a ball underneath the palm of your hands. And you're going to inhale and exhale and rock the boat and think of your pelvic floor as a boat, okay? Right here's a boat, so it rocks. So we're gonna rock there. 1, 2, we're gonna exhale and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. And also think of your boat around the sternum as a boat, rocking the boat here. And then between the two boats, you have space, which is between the bottom of the rib cage and the top of the pelvis, and we're gonna circle around those. Okay, that's one. The next thing we're gonna do is you're going to inhale, round the back, lift one knee up. How are you gonna lift it up? You're gonna lift it up from the pelvic floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. Come all the way down, let your belly drop. Your belly drops, your butt drops and goes back, belly goes forward and backward, come back up to the next one, inhale, exhale, lift the other leg up, and as you're lifting it up, you're gonna also flex your foot. So it goes 1, 2, 3, so using your belly, and then as you're going back, you're lengthening your back. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the next one is the clamshell. You're going to be on your side. You're going to have one hip stacked on top of the other hip, but you want to have your belly and your back. It's like a little circle. So you don't want to have a flat back. You want to think about the back of your hip, and the front, or the belly in the front is expanded, and the back of the hip and the butt is expanded. And every time you lift up from lift this leg up, you're going to use your pelvic floor. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You don't want to lift from this side too, so you want to think about pushing down. The leg that's down, you want to push that down into the floor and think about lifting from here. Also pushing down, exhaling down, so that you're not lifting up from the shoulder, but you're inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, and then the same thing on the other side, okay? And some variations that you can do with that is you can also hold a weight if you want to, but you have to make sure that the bottom leg is down, it's pushed down, okay? And what you're basically doing, instead of using your hip, you're using your core, you're working on your core. So in this thing, you have a weight here, or not even weight, you go inhale, exhale. You're rounding and flattening. You're pulling the belly in, round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're not using our wrist. We're exhaling, we're expanding. The belly goes out, the butt goes out. And then we come back in, we release it. We pull the belly in, the butt goes back, belly goes forward. We have to release that hip. It's harder for me on that side, for me to show you that, because I have an issue on that side. For you, it's on your right side. Then the next exercise that you're gonna do also is on the ground, okay? And I want you to do what you call a pelvic tilt. And what you're gonna do is, when you do that, you're gonna think about water underneath the small of your back, okay? You're gonna let that water get underneath the small of your back. 1, 2, and lift up to the middle of the back. Inhale, and then you're gonna let the water come down, push down on the center of your belly, okay? Slowly coming down and rounding you, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all coming from here. Then we're going to start thinking about working, rounding underneath the thoracic region, which is right underneath the rib cage. So we're going to leave our feet on the floor, start lifting the feet up from the arches of the feet, okay? And we're going to expand around the rib cage. As we expand around the rib cage, we're expanding, and we're not going to even use that pelvic floor. We're just going to push it down. Inhale and exhale, pushing the air behind us and in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Inhale, flex your feet. Exhale, point the toe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay? When you get better at all of those, you can add weights, right, to it. But those should be enough exercises for you.